Hello and welcome to today's session, UK Data Protection Compliance for the Legal Sector, a Snapshot. With me, Tracy Thompson, lawyer and Law Society accredited risk and compliance specialist. And today I'm going to be looking at what data protection looks like in practice in your law firm or legal organisation, and we'll guide you through some of the considerations needed to comply with legislation and, of course, regulatory obligations. So, data protection, what is it? Data protection is effectively about personal information and how that personal information can be used by organisations, businesses and by government departments. So the UK data protection regime is set out in the Data Protection Act 2018, along with the UK General Data Protection Regulation, which before January 2021 was the EU General Data Protection Regulation, which we often shorten to GDPR. So GDPR takes flexible risk-based approach, which puts the onus on you as the owners of the organisations to think about how you use data and how you justify your use of your data. So in relation to governance for data protection compliance, that sits with the Information Commissioner's Office, often referred to as the ICO, and they regulate data protection compliance in the UK. They offer advice, guidance, they promote good practice, they carry out audits. They consider complaints from data subjects who make complaints about organisations. They monitor compliance within the whole of the UK. And of course, when appropriate, they will take enforcement action against organisations who have breached the legislation.